Welcome everybody to our Kids Blast Summer Adventure Night #1. We are so glad for you all to be here. It has been a long haul not seeing your lovely faces, and it's just nice to be back together. Even if it's social, in a socially distant way, it's just nice to be together and to see you. So tonight we've got some really fun plans for the kids, and parents, hopefully you get an opportunity to socially distance fellowship as well.